For simple single crochet edging, you need silk thread and 1 mm crochet steel hook. If you want, you can use wool instead of using silk thread. Both of them will work better. Start from the slip knot. Attach the thread to the corner of the fabric. This edging can be made on scarf, t-shirt or any type of dress or frock. For attaching, I made 1 single crochet here, and after that you need to go here. You need to leave some distance on the fabric. We used to make edging on the edge of this fabric, but now we'll not make this edging on the edge. We'll go like this in the center, like this. And just do like this, just pull it. It should be loose. And make 1 single crochet. Again, go inside the same hole and make 2nd single crochet in the same hole, 3rd single crochet, 4th single crochet, and the last 5th. This shell has been made from 5 single crochet. If you want, you can use 3 single crochet shell, or you can make 7 single crochet shell. After completing 1 shell, go inside the fabric and it should be on the same level. Leave some space between the 2nd shell like this. Pull the thread and make single crochet 1. Again in the same hole, 2, 3, 4, and the 5. This is very simple, but it really looks nice. You have to repeat the same step for completing this simple edging.